So good morning children. So today in our second class we are ready to discuss about what is the topic name? See, guess. What is the topic name? So kinds of plant. Okay na? So kinds of plants. So here in our day-to-day life we can see that kinds of plants are there. What kind of the plants are there, Amma? So kinds of plants are there. I'm going to discuss in detail what kind of the plants are there. Everything we are ready to discuss. Now let's we start our topic. Okay na? So plants. Okay, what kind of the plants are there? First, you see that plants are living things. We see the plants around us. Correct or not? Some of the big plants are there. Some of the small plants are there. Yes or no? And they all grow and die. So some plants are having lifespan is a different. Okay, they need air, water, soil and sunlight to grow. Yes or no? The plants are ready to contain that kind of the air, water and sunlight. Without sunlight is not possible to grow, and without air is not possible to grow, and without water also it is not possible to grow. Correct or children? Right children? Now let's we go for the explanation. Okay, now plants make our wonderful and world colorful. Yes or no? For example, in our environment, if you go for observing any kind of the nature, the nature consisting of it plants and trees. The plants are having that is flowers and fruits, vegetables, everything. Without fruits and vegetables, we can do any? No. Flowers are there, sunflower and we have the different type of flowers are there na? Once you see that the plants grows, it's a small pot, it will shows as a small part. In the next diagram it's showing as a small little bit bigger plant, and in that is the third diagram is showing as a bigger one. It's a bigger one is nothing but big plant. So these are the different type of plants are right to present in our day-to-day life. Okay, slowly the plant has to right to grow and right to become as a bigger one, and now it will be ready to make it as a next it will be ready to grow. Yes or no? So that is the reason we have to grow the different type of plants. Okay, now let's we discuss about the plants are types of plants I'm going to discuss. Okay, what kind of the types of plants are there among? You can go for the types of plants. So we are using the different type of plants are there. Okay na? I'm going to discuss in detail. So see here the plants are having. Okay na? So what is that? That is a plants grow in a different sizes. All plants are having the same size? No, all plants are not having the same size. So different type of sizes and different type of shapes and different type of color of a plants also ready to present. Correct na children, all of you? Agree na? Now I'll start discussion about the plants. See that the plants grow in different sizes and shapes. Some plants are big and some are small. Correct? Is it correct what I said? So some plants grow in a different sizes. So and shapes also there. I'm going to underline this one. The plants are having the different type of plants are there na? See that size and shapes are different. Some plants are bigger one and some plants are smaller one. Correct or not? So generally most of the plants have the leaves. Okay. So many plants bear flowers and most of them changes into fruits. Okay, I'll ask one question to you children. Once you think yourself in your surroundings of your home, how many kind of plants are there? Each and every plant is giving as a fruits, or each and every plant is giving as a flowers. You can check. Okay, so this is my activity to you. You can check yourself. Is it possible to give a different type of plants are having the different type of sizes and as well as there is a Some plants are giving only flowers, some plants are giving only fruits, and some plants are giving fruits and flowers also. Yes or no? So most probably all fruits are having. Okay, all fruits will come from the flowers only. After flowers only, so then it will become as a fruit. Yes. How it will be ready to grow? By using of a seeds only. By using of a seeds, it will ready to grow and make it as a bigger plant. Correct, na children? All of you agree, na? Yes. So these are the things are right to present in our generally. Most of the plants have the leaves. Many plants bear the flowers, and most of them changes into the fruits. And most fruits have the flowers in them, and they grow in the seeds. So the flowers are right to just make it as a fruit, and the fruits are containing seeds in it. Okay, na? Right. Now comes to the another photograph. See the types of plants are there. Now see the types of plants. So what is the types of plants are there? Now we have the different type of plants are there. Once you see that is a trees. The plants is nothing but is a smaller one is a plant, bigger one is a tree. A tree is a tall and big plant. It has many branches, but palm tree and coconut tree has no branches. See, most of the trees are having the branches, but some kind of the branches only, some kind of the trees only is nothing but a coconut and palm trees are there, na? It is not having branches. A tree has a strong and hard stem called as a trunk. Mango tree, neem, jackfruit tree, banyan tree, etc. Okay, are trees. These are all kind of the trees. I'll show the photograph. See that. So trees are there or not? So trees are there. See that bigger one is the size is a bigger one, and we have. Okay, na? Now comes to the another one. So what does it means? Climbers. That is also one of the trees. Climbers is nothing but climbing. You already know that. For example, if you want to climb the one building, climbing is nothing but that kind of the plants also present. Like a lotus, sorry, not lotus, like a lily flower, and like a some kind of the weak stems. Climbers plants have a soft and weak stems. Climbers need support. Yes or no? For example, in your home also we have the different type of plants are there. Yes or no? So it is not to have the strong stems. Then it is right to depend on other things. Yes or no? So example they given, once you check it, that is a money plant. You know the money plant. Nowadays all people they having money plants in their home. The money plant, a pea plant, and so what does it means? Bean plant. These are all the different type of examples. Okay, the climber trees is nothing but climber plants is nothing but it is right to climb. I will show this how it will be once you see that. See that is a climbing trees or not? So climbing plants or not? So these are all are climbing plants. Okay, understood all of you children? Right, climbers. Now comes to the another one. That is a what is that? Creepers. Creepers and climbing trees most probably both are equal. Okay, right? Most probably both are equal, but we have small differences out there. I'll discuss with you what is a creepers. So creeper plants have a soft and green stems. So in our climbing trees we have only soft and weak stems are there, I said, but here the green stems are there, creepers. So creepers grow along the what is that? Ground only. It is not to climb. See here, for example, it is also not having stems are not having that much of strong. So it is right to what does that means? It is right to just move in a land only. It is not to grow in a so different areas. Examples also they given: pumpkin, watermelon. So actually the comma has to keep this. Will listen. Just I am going to show the comma. So pumpkin is one of the plant, watermelon and muskmelon. These are all more kind of examples are there. Okay, na children? Now I will show the what kind of the things are there. Yeah, if you see that these are the what does it means? Actually watermelon are the different type of there. Just I shown the example of photograph. See the creepers, right? These are the creepers are there. Now comes to the another heading, herbs. You know herbs. So herbs are very interesting. You can see that herbal plant. The herb plants are very smooth or small. Okay, now very small plants with a green stem. Sorry, green color. Okay, now see here the herb plants are very small plants with a green color soft stem. So herbs, leaves, flowers, seeds are used for flavoring. You know that this kind of the herbs are using like a flavoring. Okay, na? So flavoring is nothing but what, for example, in a cooking purpose, above of the after completion of the curry, we want to keep that kind of the coriander leaves. I will keep now. Yes, that's why. And like coriander, spinach. So these are all our onion leaves are there, and mint is a very interesting and very easy to identify. Mint is also there. So these are all our herbs. I'll show the diagram also. Herb plants are very small plants with a green color soft stem. Herbs, leaves, flowers, seeds are used for flavoring food, cooking, medicines or perfumes. We are using for perfumes or medicines for cooking, and examples they given as a coriander, spinach and mint. Okay, these are the examples. Actually these are the coriander, spinach and mint is the examples for that. Okay, na? Yes, that's why I will show this one. See here, these are the herbs. What it will be here, there is a coriander leaves are there, mint is there, yes or no? And we have, there is a tulsi also there in that. See, tulsi also there. These are all are different type of herbs. These are all herbs are there. We are using in our day-to-day life. Clear na children? All of you understood now? Now comes to the another one. What is that? Shrubs. Okay, shrubs are there. What kind of the shrubs are there? I am going to discuss with you. So it is a somewhat looking different now. Mint means we know, means that is a we discussed different type of stem plants are there, strong plants are there, yes or no? Trees are there, but shrubs is nothing but shrubs have the many branches and they grow near to the ground, near to the ground only. Okay, na? So here their stem is thin and what is that? Woody, right? Here there is a thin and woody plants are there. So here it should be right to show this one. The shrubs is nothing but, just wait. The shrubs is nothing but, it is a shrubs have a many branches. So and they grow near to the ground. Okay, so their stem is thin and woody and does not have a main trunk. It is not having the main trunk. It does not having main trunk. Shrubs are smaller than a tree. It is not a tree. It is not a plant. It is a middle. So like a cotton plant. Did you observe the cotton plant, rose plant, so mums plant? These are all the different type of plants are there. Really. So cotton plant, you know already, it is not a bigger tree, it is not a small plant, it is a mediate. Okay, and most probably in our gardens we are ready to grow that kind of the designing purpose we are growing now. That is also one of the example for the shrubs. Okay, now children, all of you understood now? The shrubs are there in that. Okay, so here I will show the seed here. The shrubs are in a garden area. We are just observing these plants are there now. These plants are trees? No, we don't want to call as a plant. We don't want to call as a tree. And as well as plant is also not present. How the plants are there is a small and in a pots we can keep it. Yes or no? So that's why. And now comes to the another one, that is a just what is that? Wild plants. Wild plants means everywhere without watering, without taking care. So which plant is right to grow? That is called as a wild plant. Okay, na? So wild plants grow naturally for many years. See here, this kind of the wild plants means no one will take care of the plants. So directly the wild plants are right to grow. And without seeds, without watering, without taking care of anything, you just observe that kind of the plants are right to grow indirectly in our day-to-day life. Okay, now children, all of you understood now? So they don't want any person to take care of these plants. That's why we call as a wild plants. So most probably wild plants is nothing but in our roadside plants are there now. So roadside grass or some kind of the plants are there now. So really anyone is try to take care of that kind of the plants? No one has to take care. If rain will fall, then automatically the plants will try to grow. Then who given the cranes, who given that kind of the watering? Everyone is right to wonder about that. Yes or no? That's why examples of they given, like a small trees and plants are there now, like a banyan tree. So here the banyan tree, anyone has to keep banyan tree? No one has to keep banyan tree directly. It will grow. In our areas also, for example, in a houses also, once you observe that any construction is there, means in middle of the crackers, any crack will be there, means in that middle of the crack also that plant has to grow. So how it is possible? Grass is there, okay, periwinkle plant, this is also one of the plant. Okay, I will show this one. See, these are like a grass type of environment is there now. These are the wild plants. So these plants, anyone has to give a watering? See, I am going to show bigger one. Anyone keep the watering? No one has to keep watering. Yes or no? See, these are all plants are there. So no one keep water. Okay na? So that is the reason. Okay na children, all of you understood na? So that's all. Next we'll go for the another one. What is that? Weeds, that kind of the plants also there. What is the weeds? Weeds are undesired plants. Undesired means, you can guess, undesired. So it is not having proper means growing of a we cannot identify where it will try to grow and where how much of bigger one we cannot justify. This is simple. Okay, like a gardens, yes, they can found in a gardens, pots or farms. So anywhere it will try to present. Weeds means weeds are undesired plants, so and can grow anywhere. It is not possible to say it will try to grow and there will try to grow, and we cannot identify anything. Okay na? So that is the reason we have. So here there is a like a pots and farms, anywhere you can take, that is right to. This is also like a wild animal, wild plants only. These kind of the plants are not to, anyone has to right to grow. So here the examples they given na, I'll read out again. Weeds are undesired plants and can grow anywhere. So they can be found in gardens, pots or farms. They grow a very fast and makes the place of other plants. So example, dandelion, poison, okay. So ivy, milk. So next one, dandelion and poison ivy, milk and thistle. These are all the examples. I'll show. See. So what kind of these kind of the plants are weeds. So we cannot identify. Same like a wild in plants only, but it's a small kind of the so different. Okay now. And see, they can grow fast and takes place of their other plants. And see here, it is right to grow fastly, directly night by night only it will right to grow. So these are the next one plant is a water plants. The water plants grow in water and most of their stem stays under water only. See here, most of the water plants is nothing but underwater only it will try to grow. Okay na? Few water plants having a big floating leaves. Some plants like a hydrilla grow completely underwater. So lotus, duckweed, hydrilla. These are all examples. I'm see here. What it will be, lotus is one of the example, and duckweed and hydrilla. These are the different type of examples. We can keep actually comma. So it is not there. That's why I'm going to keep comma. So water plants means inside of the water. What is the lotus is the best example now. I'll show this diagram. See. So here the water plants inside of the water, where we are keeping inside also it will try to grow. That kind of the plants are there. Understood now? Next, care of plants. How to take care of plant? See. So we need to care of plant. So is it possible to take care of plant? Yes. Our government people is also right to say that you take care of plants, because the plants will try to give oxygen to us. We need to care of plants at our home as well as at public places also. In our area, what inside of your home you can take care of the plants, and public places like parks, gardens. Okay na? So different public areas. So don't walk on a grass. So what is a harshly? So for example, some people they are right to do some harshly on a grass. So don't do that, because if you are right to do like this, means the plants are right to damage. So it is not grow properly. And don't pluck flowers. You know, some kind of the people are right to pluck the flowers from the plant directly. So it is a right to it is not good, okay na? Leaves and branches of a tree. So it is a we can care of a plants first of all. Okay, so do not scratch or write on trees. Okay na? For example, some students are there. Some students are right to write on a leaves, write on a stems. They are right to pluck the flowers. They are right to pluck the leaves and branches from the tree. Yes or no? And trunks also they are right to just detach. So these are things are right to present to stop it. Okay na? Right? That's all. That's all for today. The next class will discuss the remaining topic. Okay na children? Right? So thank you.